ಖಾಸಗಿ ತೋಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಜಾಗ ಅಂತ ನಾಮಫಲಕ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು ನಾಮಫಲಕ ತೆಗೆದುಹಾಕಿದ ಘಟನೆ ವಿರಾಜಪೇಟೆಯ ಬಾಳುಗೋಡುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಿದೆ. 4 ತಿಂಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮೇಜರ್ ಸುಶೀಲಾ ರಾಮದಾಸ್ ಎಂಬುವರಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ ಕಾಫಿ ತೋಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಜಾಗ ಅಂತ ಕಂದಾಯ ಇಲಾಖೆ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಾಮಫಲಕವನ್ನು ಅಳವಡಿಸಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನಂತರ ತೋಟದ ಮಾಲೀಕರು ತಮ್ಮ ವಕೀಲರ ಮೂಲಕ ತಹಶೀಲ್ದಾರ್ ಅನಂತ ಶಂಕರ್ ಅವರ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ತಂದರು. ನಂತರ ಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡಿದ ತಹಶೀಲ್ದಾರ್ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳು ಮಾಡಿದ ಎಡವಟ್ಟಿನಿಂದ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಯಾಗಿದೆ, ಸರ್ವೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಬದಲಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ತಹಶೀಲ್ದಾರ್ ಅವರು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನ ನೀಡಿದರು. ನಂತರ ಕಂದಾಯ ಕಚೇರಿಯ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳು ನಾಮಫಲಕವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಹಾಕಿದ್ರು.
That other side, yes, that lady. This around my estate, surrounding all Paisali.
ഇപ്പൊ നിങ്ങള് ഇവരുടെ ഗവൺമെന്റ് ഓഫീസേഴ്സിന്റെ പ്രഷറിനായിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ ഈ എസ്റ്റേറ്റ് സെയിലാക്കിയതാ?
Because of the harassment. They come and see, it's a very insulting for me. I work, I enjoy. I brought this with what money I have got after my retirement. It is my hard-earned money. It's not just like that. And every time when I come,
when the coffee price is increasing, do you think that we will sell it? Just sell it.
there is no need. It's about I love from morning till evening. I stay with my workers. Anybody, if you ask here, because I enjoy working here. But still, in spite of that, last 3 years, simple harassment. I told them yes. If the revenue inspector twice he came, I said okay.
What is the name? The revenue inspector?
I don't know his name and
Harish.
Sir, you will not understand because when you reach in my age, you will understand the harassment by the RIN people. They come here, insult me in front of my workers. They say this is government land. I was forced to sell it last 11 or 13, I don't remember exactly. And they say that so many things.
ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್.
ವೈರ್ ಸರ್ ಹಾಂ ಸರ್.
You are RI, I don't know sir who you are, but he comes with the people here, walk up and down. We are measuring, this is government land. They speak in Kannada, I cannot understand Kannada. But only because in this old age also I was enjoying coming morning. Anybody who is here, I come in the morning with the workers, enjoy. All this I made. Okay, when he said it is government land, I got no right. But I told him, yes, if it is government land, you can take it. But provided that I know all these people surrounding our estate, these are government land. That also should be taken. Then I asked him, why you are coming and messing in between only my estate? Why? That and all we finished.
ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಕಂದಾಯ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಹರೀಶ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳು, ಸರ್ವೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದರು.